Hey guys, and welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again you guys for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Merry COOKMAS Day 13. Appreciate you guys for still riding along with me for this COOKMAS series. So for today's recipe, I decided to make a baked chicken parmesan. So it's pretty much just chicken parm with noodles and lots of cheese, and it's definitely delicious. So if you guys are ready for this recipe, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to drop me that comment down below. Share this video out, definitely appreciate that. We did hit 2K guys, thank you so much. I should have a video coming out soon just to celebrate the 2K, but I definitely appreciate all the love. If you still have not subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell so you're notified of every time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so here we have it, the baked chicken parmesan. With this dish you can use any type of noodles that you want. You could do it with ziti noodles, bow tie noodles, any type of noodle will do. Just, I would say, do something different than spaghetti, which is normally served with the chicken parm. But all the flavors of a regular chicken parm are there. You're definitely not going to want to miss this recipe guys, so give it a try. If you guys enjoyed this COOKMAS recipe, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Let me know if you enjoyed the recipe. Share this video out, Again, I appreciate that. And if you still aren't subscribed, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified every time I drop a new video. You guys take care and happy holidays. Bye guys.